Welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Advantage Plus catalog campaign in Meta Ads, step by step. A catalog ad allows Meta to automatically show the right product to the right person based on user behavior. Instead of promoting a single product, Meta dynamically displays products from your catalog that users are most likely to buy. To run catalog ads, you need three things. Number one, a product catalog. Number two, a connected website or Shopify store. Number three, a meta pixel or dataset tracking user events. Before creating the campaign, make sure your catalog is ready. You can create a catalog in two ways: automatically through Shopify or WooCommerce, or manually inside Commerce Manager. If you're using Shopify, watch the video linked in the iCard to learn how to set up your catalog and pixel correctly. Now let's go to the product catalog. Go to Business Settings in your Meta Business portfolio. Under Data Sources, click on Catalogs. Click Open in Commerce Manager. Here, I've connected a dummy Shopify store for this tutorial, and you can see a few products. A product set is a group of products, such as new arrivals, best sellers, or sale items. You can create product sets based on category, brand, availability, size, color, price range, etc. For example, here I'm creating product sets for new arrivals and best sellers. Now, let's create the campaign. Go to Meta Ads Manager. Click the green Create button. Select the objective Sales. Click Continue. You'll notice that Advantage Plus catalog ads are automatically turned on because the product catalog is already connected. Set your campaign budget, then click Next. In the ad set level, keep the conversion location set to Website. Under Performance Goal, select Maximum Number of Conversions. For the conversion event, choose Purchase. Meta will now optimize this campaign for sales. You don't need to manually connect a pixel here because the catalog is already connected. You may see events showing as inactive if there are no purchases yet. In my case, this is a dummy website, so no purchase data exists. Under Product Set, choose which products you want to advertise. You'll see the product sets you created earlier in the list. For this test campaign, I'm selecting all products. You can also set an end date if needed. Under Audience, you can use a saved audience, retarget users who viewed products or added to cart but didn't purchase, or target new potential buyers. Then select your location, age, and gender. You'll also see an option to further limit the reach of your ad. I recommend not limiting it and letting Meta find the right audience automatically. Keep Advantage Plus placements turned on. Click Next to go to the ad level. Under Identity, select your Facebook page and Instagram account. Under Ad Setup, you'll see three formats: Single Image, Carousel, Collection. If you choose Single Image, Meta will dynamically select product images from your product set. Now let's select Carousel. You can see multiple product images appearing in the preview automatically. Add primary text, headline, description. Under Tracking, select Website Event and make sure the correct pixel is selected. You can also edit the image template. There are two options, Frame and Crop. You can upload a PNG image, such as your logo or a discount badge, and it will apply to all carousel cards. By selecting Crop, you can control how product images are displayed if they're not square. There's also an option to choose a background color for narrow or shorter images. Now let's look at the collection format. This format allows you to create an instant experience ad. Click Create New and choose a template. I'm selecting the storefront template. Change the call to action text and set the destination. Meta may automatically generate a cover video using product images. This can take some time. To save time, I'll upload an image manually. This image is just for testing, as I won't publish this campaign. Once the template is ready, click Save and preview the ad. Now you've learned all three ad formats: single image, carousel, collection. You can test any one or multiple formats in your campaign. Before publishing, rename your campaign, ad set, and ad properly. Review all settings carefully. If everything looks good, click Publish. That's how you create an Advantage Plus catalog campaign in Meta Ads. Thanks for watching Digital Growth Tutor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more digital marketing guides.